Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy, and this is an episode of What to Eat Wednesday. In this video, I'll show you everything I've eaten this last week on a ketogenic way of eating. Keep in mind, I am currently on maintenance level calories and I am not trying to lose weight at this time. So use the ideas I have as a guide, but not the amounts necessarily. Just if you want to be losing weight, you want to follow your own macros. Don't forget to join our Facebook group to grab those, and the link is in the About section below. Let's get to the food. Aren't these eggs gorgeous, you guys? They're huge. Look how big they are. Oh, one hand. Made a mess, but hey, look at that. I did it. My husband taught me you crack the egg on a flat surface, not on an edge. Oh, I broke the yolk. How sad. Oh well, I shall eat it anyway. And people wonder why I don't do cooking videos. Yeah. I'm not a good cook today, apparently, and on a good day, I'm usually not that great of a cook. Okay, this is a lot. I don't normally make this much. It's like 3 ounces because I am not having yogurt this morning. So I'm having extra cheese. Normally I weigh it out and do only an ounce, but today I'm doing a lot. This is how you would kind of do it if you were going to do a pizza. And it's going to be bad for me today, of course. This side over here is sticking, you see that? Probably because I had some leftover egg right there in the pan. I should have been more careful. Dang it. Well, anyway. As you pull on the edges and you see it starts to get, it's harder, and you can like get a hold of it. Ooh, that wasn't actually bad. Nice. A lot of cheese. Yum. Good morning, everyone. It's Wednesday, and I am getting my braces put on today. So this is going to be my fantastic last meal before braces. So I'm having an extra piece of bacon. So I'm having 55 grams of center cut bacon today so that I can get a little extra bacon because in case I'm not able to eat it tomorrow because of the pain of the braces. My regular 2 fried eggs, and then today I'm having 3 ounces of fried mozzarella cheese just because I really want some cheese today. And I'm saving my yogurt for later so that if my teeth hurt really bad, I have something that I can eat. All right, everyone. I am home from dance this Wednesday night, and I am having some soup. I know it doesn't look like much, but I promise you it tastes really good. It is like blended up mushrooms and cream with hamburger. The recipe is brown butter mushroom soup that I looked up online, and then I added the ground beef into it, and it's the 93.7 ground beef. And this is going to be really good. My teeth don't hurt that bad, so this was my plan for because my teeth are supposed to hurt, but I'm just going to eat it anyway because it's delish. And then a keto cake from ketocakesutah.com for fat. Because like I told you, I was trying to eat a lot of the fat so that I don't eat the nuts and seeds. So that's going to be my last meal of the day. Hello everyone, it's Thursday. I am having my typical breakfast, but I am going to have a little bit different because we are here at Commonwealth School, so I'm having sausage instead of bacon, just 4 strips of great value sausage, 2 boiled eggs, an ounce and a half of provolone cheese, 1 cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with orange vanilla Mio water enhancer, and that is going to be my first meal of the day. All right, everyone, it's Friday. I'm heading out to a meeting, and this is going to be my in-the-car breakfast. I've got 1 Premier protein shake, 1 Think Thin bar, and a keto cake. That is the amount of protein and fat that I need for an optimal breakfast, but I'm guessing that's not going to fill me up for very long. So I'll probably end up eating a second meal, but this is what I'm going to eat because I'm in a hurry and I'm getting in the car. All right, everyone, it is Friday night and I am having curry that Ronnie made. It is just tomato paste, onions, and chicken over cauliflower rice with some Greek yogurt, and that is going to be my last meal of the day. All right, everyone, it's Saturday. I'm in the car again, and so I am having the same breakfast I had yesterday, and it's about 11 o'clock in the morning, and I am having a Think Thin bar and a protein shake and a keto cakes cupcake. KetoCakesUtah.com. I should probably turn that on so you guys can actually see the thing, but they don't ship yet, but they are working on it. So there you go. Hey everyone, it's Saturday night and I'm having breakfast for dinner. So I've got some scrambled eggs with 4 pieces of sausage and 1 ounce of cheese and a cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with orange vanilla Mio. That's going to be my last meal of the day. All right, everyone, it's Sunday morning, and it's actually about 2 or 3 in the afternoon, actually, and I'm having my first meal of the day. I'm having 4 Great Value brand sausages, 2 fried eggs, 2 ounces of provolone cheese fried in a pan, 1 cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with orange vanilla Mio, and that's going to be my first meal of the day. Hello everyone, it's Sunday night, and this is what I'm having for my last meal of the day. I'm having an 8-ounce top round steak, a little bit of cabbage with some butter and salt, and a little bit of heavy whipping cream, cream cheese, cocoa powder, and stevia whipped up for my fats. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. Hey everyone, it's Monday, and this is my first meal of the day. I am having 2 fried eggs, 2 ounces of provolone cheese fried in a pan, 44 grams of center cut bacon, 1 cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with cranberry raspberry Mio, and that is going to be my first meal of the day. Hey everyone, it's Monday night and I am having shredded chicken enchilada salad for dinner. So what we do is we take the chicken breasts and we put them in the Instant Pot with a can of green enchilada sauce and shred that up. So I have 6 ounces of that, and then I have about a cup of lettuce, 60 grams of tomatoes. I didn't count the olives. I think it's like 4 olives cut up. 4 tablespoons of sour cream and 2 ounces of cheese. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. Okay, everyone, it's Tuesday and I am eating on the go. I made myself like an egg sausage bake kind of thing. I just scrambled up 2 eggs, cilantro, a little bit of onion, 4 pieces of Great Value sausage, and added 2 tablespoons of pecani sauce and 3 tablespoons of sour cream, and that is going to be my first meal of the day. Oh, I put in an ounce of mozzarella cheese in there as well, and I am going to have a protein bar alongside this instead of yogurt. Hello, my friends, it's Tuesday night, and I am having fajitas. So we have beef fajitas. I've got 8 ounces of beef fajita mix that has just some peppers in it, 2 ounces of Mexican cheese, 4 tablespoons of sour cream, 3 or 4 tablespoons of fresh Mexican salsa that we just got from the grocery store over there, and a cup of lettuce. And that is going to be my last meal of the day and the last meal of this video. So there you have it. Everything I ate this week on a ketogenic way of eating. I hope you got some great ideas for different meals that you can try on your ketogenic meal plan. Don't forget to join us on Facebook for support and for help on how you can start your own weight loss journey. Thanks for hanging out with me. We'll talk to you again soon.